In these examples, I'll demonstrate determining which of the relations are functions and which ones may be one-to-one functions. First, I'll start with the vertical line test because that's how we determine whether a relation is a function or not. On A, we see that there's a couple of straight line segments here. For A, all we need to do is just draw several vertical lines at arbitrary positions of our choice. It doesn't really matter where we do it. All we want to do is ensure that the vertical lines intersect our curve only one time each. This line touches our curve here and nowhere else. This line touches our curve once. This one will touch once, and that one will touch once. Every vertical line that I've drawn intersects the curve just one time. So that gives me confidence that A is actually a function. Let's go on to B now. Draw yourself some vertical lines. Every vertical line intersects the curve just one time here. So B is a function. What about C though? If I do a vertical line here, it touches the curve once at the top here, and then it touches it again. That's a problem. I don't even have to do any more. If it fails once, then that's all you need to determine it's not a function. So yes, C is not a function. All right, with D here, I can't really do my test on the left or the right because I'm not going to intersect the curve at all. There's only one place to do the test, and that's right down the vertical line here. The problem is, though, it touches at an infinite number of different points. So yeah, a vertical line is actually not a function. As we saw before, a straight slanted line is a function. However, a circle or ellipse is not a function because it fails the vertical line test. It's touching more than once on each vertical line there. Okay, now for the graphs that were functions, which of them would be one-to-one? Here we're going to use the horizontal line test. Okay, for the horizontal line test, draw a series of horizontal lines and then see how many times the horizontal line intersects the graph. These horizontal lines are touching twice. That means that A fails the horizontal line test. So it's a function, but not a one-to-one function. Okay, let's try this one. All right, here it touches just once, so far so good, but uh-oh. With this horizontal line, we're touching 3 times. So this, again, is going to be a function, but it is not a one-to-one function. Now I'm going to skip C and D because they weren't even functions. If they're not functions, then there's no point in doing the horizontal line test. But B was a function. We said that the vertical lines only intersect once. Now let's try the horizontal lines. Okay, every horizontal line only intersects once. So that means that E is a one-to-one function.